Hey guys, welcome back to Property Educators. Thanks for joining me here today. My name is Iana and today's topic is all about adding value to your property. First of all, I'll start off with renovating. Renovating your property is one sure way of adding value. There are a couple of ways in which you can approach this. You can either give your property a facelift by giving it a fresh coat of paint, changing bench tops, cupboards, hardware, fittings and carpet. We call this a superficial reno, by where you are only updating the surface of your property. The other option you have is to give your property a structural reno. This method is a lot more involved as you are giving your property a major facelift, which usually involves getting consents from the local authorities and costing a considerable amount more than a superficial reno, depending on what work is carried out. If you are purchasing the property as an investment, you must decide before purchasing what type of reno you are going to carry out and what things you are going to mend. This will determine how much the reno will cost and what profit margin you are going to make if you are going to trade it immediately after completion. Examples of structural renos are adding an extra room to your property by building a sleep out or garage, knocking out walls and opening up living areas, or adding onto your existing house another room or wing. Once again, if buying an investment property, you must decide before your purchase what changes you will make so as you can put a budget together which will help you in applying for finance as the bank may want to see a plan. Another example to add value to your property is by putting in another access point or driveway onto your section. I recently did this to one of my properties where I cut a driveway into the property from the back end of the section, giving me access from another street. I now have the option of building another dwelling at the back of that property or subdividing it and selling that piece. Planting trees and landscaping your property also adds considerable amount of value. Watch this space as I will be posting some of the renos I have been working on, and I will show you how to do certain jobs to help you add value to your property yourself. If you want to find out more, then check my website out, www.propertyeducators.com, or give me a ring and I'll be more than happy to assist you on your journey.